All right, benchmarking. Mouse sucks. Latency was at like 27, and then I put it on ultra inside game. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but I let NVIDIA adjust all the settings in the NVIDIA app. So what are we looking at? About hovers around 100, gets as low as like 80 or 90. I think if I had yeah, I knew he was going to get me. I think the 1% lows would be a little bit better if I had 32 megs of RAM, but not by a whole lot. That's just a theory. But it's smooth. I need a better mouse. This is the mouse I'm using. The Logitech. Well, it's running good. It is overclocked. I let Afterburner do the OC overclock. It's looking good, man. Feels good. Looks good. I'd like to get that latency down a little bit, but hey.